Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I am going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this laptop. I will show you two ways of doing that. The first one, in case you have the access to your operational system, aka Windows, and the second one if you cannot access your Windows. But before we do all of that, let me first show you how to check the recovery keys for your device, because if your device gets locked by BitLocker in the recovery mode, which is very common, you'll have to use the recovery key in order to unlock it. So I'm gonna switch to a different device to show you how to check your recovery keys. Now all you have to know is your Microsoft account, password and login. Look for a website called ak.ms/myrecoverykey. Input it in the search field, into the path field, then press enter and proceed by logging in to your account. First enter your login, which might be your email or your phone number, then click, then enter, okay, so let me input my email, then enter your password, and press next. Then you might need to confirm your login by entering the code that you will receive either onto your email or your phone, depending on which one you chose before. And on the following page you'll see the table with the BitLocker recovery keys, and you will see the five columns in this table. Now, to identify which recovery key belongs to your PC, you can either use a device name for reference. If you know your device name, then simply find the recovery key that matches it. The key upload date, which are not sorted by device, so look somewhere in the middle of the table if you have multiple devices here. But if you know your set up your first Microsoft account signing in date on this laptop, then of course you can look by the key upload date. And if you don't know none of this, then the most important part is key ID, which you will see in case your device gets locked by the BitLocker. So you will see the key ID on the screen. Then just find it in this table, and using this table just find the matching recovery key and enter the whole recovery key into the field, into the BitLocker field to unlock your device in case it gets locked. Okay, so now you know all you need to know. Now let me switch to the laptop. Okay, and on the laptop, if you want to enter recovery key through the system, all you have to do is hold down the right shift button, then select power options, select restart, and wait until your device is restarted, and keep holding the shift button, right shift button, all the time until your device is restarted. Once your device starts booting again, you will see the please wait sign below your Dell logo, and that means that you're entering recovery mode. And now you can navigate here using either your touchpad or your arrow keys to navigate, enter to confirm, escape, backspace to go back. For example, we can go to the troubleshoot options and then advanced options, and here are the most of the recovery keys settings. We can see more recovery options by clicking see more recovery options. You can also go back by clicking this icon right here. And now I'm gonna turn off this PC to show you the second method, which is actually a brute force method. And to use it, all you have to do is turn on your PC by pressing the power button once, and while it starts to boot up, just hold down the power key to turn your device off. Do this 2 times at least, and on the 3rd time you will see the preparing automatic repair sign below your Dell logo, and that will mean that you're entering recovery key, and at this point your device might actually get locked by a BitLocker, but let's see. Okay, so just when you see the Dell logo, turn off your PC and then turn on your PC again, and at some point you will see the preparing automatic repair sign below your Dell logo. And at this point, don't do anything, just wait until your device boots into recovery mode. And what a fortune, we just got locked by BitLocker. So now you can see the key ID right here. You only need the first part, so only this much. Find this key ID on the page I showed you before and find the matching recovery key and enter it into this field. Once you enter the recovery key, simply press continue and then wait until your device logs into the recovery mode. So right now you see the PC is being diagnosed, but actually we're getting redirected to the recovery mode, and I'm gonna show you what to do next in a while. So at this point, select advanced options if you have the access to your touchpad. If you don't, just use the arrow keys to select and then press enter to confirm. And here we go, we are in the recovery mode. Back again. So for example, let's go to startup settings and restart our PC and see if it happens again, because sometimes it does. Okay, press enter, and let's enter the BitLocker recovery key again. Okay, so just enter your recovery key just like we did before, then press enter to continue, and you'll see your startup settings. I will press enter to return to the operating system, and I'm gonna mention just one more thing before I finish this video. If your device gets locked by the recovery key and you somehow you can't access your recovery key, then you will not be able to access your system. And in order to regain access to your PC, you'll have to reinstall your Windows on your PC. And if you need some help on your way, then we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to install Windows from USB on this PC. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And now for this video, that will be all. So thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.